How to reduce activities and save time with Pipedrive CRM system. For all those individuals who still have wasted most of their work routines on performing repetitive actions, we have come to show you how to save your or your employees' time and be more productive. The automation section of the Pipedrive CRM system allows you to automate activities related to deals, individuals, and legal entities, leads and projectors, such as automatic classification of customers by source. For example, if the customer was informed about the product or service thanks to the work of the marketing department, this information is classified in the system under the marketing subsection, which in turn facilitates the measurement of results. Classification of deals according to volume. The system can classify deals into large, medium, and small classifiers, which makes it possible to send an appropriate price offer to each of them. Automatic distribution of potential customers between sales professionals, which allows you to avoid conflicts. Sending electronic messages, reminders of calls, meetings, and other activities. Thus, with the help of the automations department, you can avoid boring mechanical work and increase the efficiency of the company or the employee.
Stamina, take a quick pose for the camera.